How to create and set up FedEx account. The very first thing you wanna do is to head over to any of the web browser. Let me head over to Google Chrome. Once you are in here, in the source bar, search for FedEx sign up. Head over to the very first site, create an account. This interface will appear. Click on sign up or login at the top right. And then click on create account. You will be able to see three different options. One is user ID, the other is personal, and the next one is business. You can choose anyone according to your need. Let's say I want to make a personal account. Click on open personal account. Now you will have to enter some of the details. First of all, enter your first name, your last name, the company's name, and the address. At the bottom, you will have to enter your email address. Once you have entered the email address, scroll all the way down and then click on enter login details. Now what you want to do is, you have to create a user ID and then create the password for your account. Once you are done with all of this, click on create your user ID. And there you go, your FedEx account has been created successfully. So that's it, and this is simply how you can create or set up for your FedEx account. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.